So you want to go vegan, but you don't know where to start or what to eat. We've all been there. And look, I understand the struggle. So today I'm going to show you 3 ways to move past this roadblock by changing the way you see food. The first thing you need to do is see the abundance that's in the world of plants and explore it. When you hear the word vegan, you probably see scarcity, restriction, and limitations. You see a plate of food with an empty space where the meat used to be. The truth is, vegan food is full of abundance. There are probably over 20 different types of vegetables and at least 10 types of fruit at your local grocery store. And I'm not talking about Whole Foods or Trader Joe's. I'm talking about your regular grocery stores like Food Lion, Farm Fresh, and even Walmart. There are also so many different types of grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds that you've probably never heard of and definitely have never tasted. All of these foods, when prepared with flavorful seasonings and sauces, can create delicious, satisfying, and filling meals. My second tip is to see all of your options to replace non-vegan foods and be open to them. You've probably heard about the Beyond Burger and the Impossible Burger, but what you might not know is that there are vegan substitutes for almost every type of meat. From sausage, chicken, deli slices, hot dogs, and meatballs. There are vegan substitutes for dairy-based foods like yogurt, cheese, cream cheese, sour cream, butter, and ice cream. There are vegan substitutes for eggs that you scramble and eggs that you bake with. You can make so much progress just by swapping the non-vegan ingredient in your meal with the vegan version. I have a list on my website of vegan substitutes that I can't possibly keep current. I don't even try anymore. If you want to check it out, there's a link in the description. There are so many foods and dishes that I didn't even try before I became vegan. So trust me, curiosity is going to be your best friend. Embrace it. My third tip is to see the vegan food that you already eat. It seems like people think that vegan food is a completely different category of food. It isn't. Vegan just means that the food doesn't contain animal products. It doesn't mean that it's healthy, unprocessed, sugar-free, gluten-free, clean, natural, organic, or low calorie. It just means that it doesn't contain animal products. That's it. So if you've ever eaten pasta with marinara sauce, hummus, salsa, guacamole, oatmeal, bagels, french fries, rice, sorbet, pretzels, tortilla chips, or potato chips, you've eaten vegan food. Vegan food isn't different. It's familiar. Eating a vegan diet doesn't mean living a life of deprivation or scarcity. A vegan diet is full of abundance. You just have to learn how to see food differently. And if you want more tips to help you start eating more vegan meals, check out this video next.